Ever wondered how some people seem to have a knack for finding unique money-making opportunities? Are they just lucky? Or do they know something we don't? What if I told you that there are ventures out there that could be gold mines, yet they're not on most people's radar? Today, we're diving into the world of unique money-making ventures that are just waiting to be tapped into. From turning your backyard into a cash cow to renting out your brain power, we're uncovering 10 off-the-beaten-path ways to boost your income. If you're all about discovering new opportunities, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of innovators. Number 10, join clinical studies. Clinical studies need people to help test out new treatments and health interventions, and they're willing to pay for your time. Whether it's a new medication, a dietary plan, or exercise regimen, your participation helps researchers make breakthroughs. You could be contributing to the next big health discovery. And while some studies look for specific health conditions, many just need healthy volunteers. Check out databases like clinicaltrials.gov to find studies that fit you. Remember, you're not just a number in these studies, you're part of potentially life-saving research. Plus, you're usually compensated for your time and travel, so it's a win-win. But always make sure you understand the study's requirements and risks before you sign up. It's your time, your body, and your choice. Number 9, expert answers. Got expertise? Online platforms are a gold mine for monetizing it. Sites like Justanswer or Fiverr connect experts like you to people needing advice. You could be answering questions about anything from car repairs to software coding. And the best part? You can do it on your schedule. From wherever you are, you set your rates and choose the questions you want to answer. As you build up a reputation with good ratings, you can earn more. It's not just about the money, though. You're also helping people solve real problems. Sharing your knowledge can be incredibly rewarding, and hey, if it puts some extra cash in your pocket, that's a pretty sweet bonus. Number 8, become an online juror. Being an online juror means you're part of the legal process without the long-term commitment of actual jury duty. Lawyers need to practice their arguments, and that's where you come in. By signing up to platforms like Edgery, you review cases, listen to arguments, and give your verdict. It's not just about making money, you're also giving lawyers valuable feedback to help them in real trials. Plus, it's fascinating work. You're getting an inside look at legal strategies and issues. Each case takes a short amount of time, and you can pick what fits your schedule. Number 7, dog training. Training your dog can be more than just a bonding activity. It can be profitable too. With people often busy and pets part of the family, dog trainers are in demand. By picking up some training techniques, you could offer your services to neighbors and friends. It starts with basic commands like sit, stay, and heel, but who knows? You might have a knack for it and take it further. Agility courses, behavioral consults, or even trick training. And it's not just about private sessions. You could host group classes at a local park or make video tutorials. There's a whole community out there of pet owners looking for help. And with each successful sit and stay, you're not just making dogs happier, you're making your wallet happier too. Number 6, website testing. Website testing is a gig that pays you for browsing and sharing your thoughts. It's like being a quality checker for the digital world. Companies want to know what works and what doesn't on their websites, from layout to content. That's where you come in. You visit a site, complete some tasks, and then give feedback. What's great is that it's not time-consuming. You could do a test during your lunch break or between chores. Sites like User Testing Pay per test, and those little bits can add up. You're contributing to a better web experience for everyone and making some extra cash. No tech degree needed, just your honest opinion and a connection to the internet. Number 5, host city tours. Hosting city tours is all about turning your local knowledge into an experience others will pay for. It's not just about the famous spots. It's the hidden gems that you know about that others don't. You could show off the best street art, the tastiest food joints that only locals know about, or even lead a tour of haunted spots. The key is to offer something unique that travelers can't get from a regular tour guide. Get your tours on travel sites, use social media to spread the word, or join platforms that connect locals with visitors. It's flexible. You set the times and dates that work for you. Plus, you meet people from all over the world and share the love for your city. Number 4, capitalize on your expertise. Turning what you're good at into a product isn't just savvy, it's a smart business move. Take a real estate agent who started selling customized notebooks to keep track of client interactions, or a graphic designer who realized other designers were on the hunt for quality digital resources and decided to sell them. This is about seeing a need, creating a solution, and then selling that solution to others who share that need. It's using your insight to create a product that makes others' lives easier. You don't need a factory or a big startup fund. Start small. Use online marketplaces or set up a simple store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy. You've got skills. You've got insights. Put them together and you've got a product that could earn you money while you're catching Z's. Number 3, rent out what you don't use. Let's dive into the potential of your unused space. That empty garage, attic, or even your backyard, it's not just sitting there, it's prime real estate. People are searching for storage options or a unique place to stay. Think about listing your space on platforms like Airbnb or a local storage rental site. You set the rules, the price, and the availability. It's low effort with a potential high reward. And if you're up for it, companies like Rent the Backyard can transform your unused outdoor space into a profitable rental unit, splitting the income with you. You're not just earning money, you're also offering a solution to the constant hunt for space in crowded cities. It's your property. Make it work for you. Number 2, affiliate income. Talking about affiliate marketing, think about the last time you raved about a gadget and your buddy bought it. Now imagine earning from that recommendation. That's affiliate marketing for you. It's as simple as sharing a link to a product you swear by. When someone buys through your link, you get a slice of the sale. It's not just about making a few extra bucks. It's about creating a network of trust. Your honest recommendations can help others make smart buys, and that's valuable. Get started with an Amazon partnership or reach out to your favorite brands. They love it when passionate fans spread the word. Number 1, selling food waste. So selling food waste, it's not just about tossing out leftovers. Around 931 million tons of food end up in the bin each year. Now, these aren't just spoiled leftovers. We're talking about fresh produce that's skipped over because it doesn't meet beauty standards. You could step in and give these fruits and veggies a second chance. Partner with local farmers who'd rather sell at a lower price than waste their harvest. You get a deal, they reduce waste, and folks at home get fresh produce for less. By doing this, not only do you earn, but you also contribute to reducing food waste. It's smart, it's sustainable, and it makes a difference. Plus, with every batch of ugly produce you save, you're building a community around responsible consumption. That's real impact. And there you've had it minus 10 unique ways to make money that you might not have tried yet. Got questions or have an idea for our next video? Drop a comment below. I read them all, and you could be inspiration for our next topic. Plus, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future explorations into the wild world of side hustles and innovation.